Hello, everyone. Today we're talking about the energy backup in industrial and emergency scenarios, the generator set. Many people think it's just a backup power supply, but there's far more to it than meets the eye. First of all, a generator set is not a single device, but a combination of power and power generation plus control. The engine provides mechanical energy like its heart. The generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy, which is the core hub of energy conversion. And the control system is the brain that ensures stable operation and safe start-stop. From temporary power supply at construction sites, to emergency backup power in hospitals, to field operations in remote areas, the applicable scenarios of a generator set depend entirely on its power and fuel type. For example, diesel generator sets have strong power and long endurance, suitable for heavy-duty working conditions. Gasoline generator sets are lightweight and flexible, more suitable for small-scale emergency scenarios. Finally, a reminder: the service life of a generator set depends 70% on quality and 30% on maintenance. Regularly checking the oil, cleaning the filter element, and testing the control system can ensure it doesn't fail when it matters most. That's the basic science of generator sets. If you want to learn more industry knowledge, feel free to follow us for updates.